also. It's not something that you learn quickly, and every company has their own approach to an SOW. It's going to often require an internal review on your part. So one of you would write it, but I would have to review it and sign off on it, because ultimately it's a contract that we're offering to the client. We don't want anything in the contract to be negative, right? And on the other end, it will also require an extensive review by the client, right? That's also very common, because it's a contract for them too that they're signing off on, right? So it's going to take you a while to come up with these in an effective way, but you might also be asked to review them, or you're going to be reading a lot of these. And that's okay, because that's how you get started. I probably wasn't trusted to do my own statements of work, at least from like a blank sheet, until I was like in my like 4th or 5th year of consulting. Like this isn't something that you would give to the new guy, but it's still an important part for all of you to know, right? Like you should still be learning this. Really important skill to know. Andrew says, good morning, or good afternoon. Good afternoon to you too, Andrew. Thanks for joining us. I think it's your first time. I see that you're on Instagram. Feel free to switch over to YouTube so you can see, the screen a little better, but thanks for being here. So here are the general sections that you're going to want in your statement of work. You're going to put in an introduction, a project description, phases. You're going to put in the client responsibilities. You're going to put in the consultant responsibilities. You're going to put in the project scope. You're going to produce a timeline. You're going to produce a payment schedule. And then you're going to have your signatures. Again, what exactly goes into a statement of work differs by company, but generally speaking, these are the sections that I have seen at multiple companies that I've worked at, or multiple consulting situations.